In a cozy home filled with warmth and love, there lived a small and curious kitten named Mia. Mia was known for her playful and adventurous spirit, always ready to explore and discover new things. She had a mischievous side too, often getting into little adventures around the house. Mia's home was a haven of comfort and joy. It had soft couches where she loved to curl up and take cozy naps. A crackling fireplace provided warmth on chilly days, and toys were scattered around for Mia's entertainment. Mia's loving family showered her with affection, and they cherished every moment spent together in their cozy home. It was a place where Mia felt safe and loved, allowing her adventurous spirit to roam freely. Mia's home was a warm and comfortable place. Soft couches with fluffy cushions invited Mia to snuggle and relax. In one corner of the room, a cozy fireplace crackled, spreading a comforting warmth throughout the house. The room was adorned with Mia's favorite toys, scattered playfully across the floor. Mia felt a deep sense of safety and familiarity in her home. Every nook and cranny held memories of joy and love. The familiar scent of her family and the gentle sounds of laughter filled the air, making Mia feel secure and content. In this cozy haven, Mia could be herself, free to explore, play, and enjoy the comforts of her loving home. One day, while Mia was playing near an open door, she accidentally wandered outside and found herself in an unfamiliar neighborhood. As she looked around, she realized she was lost. Fear and confusion washed over her as she realized she couldn't find her way back home. Mia's heart raced as she meowed for help, but her family was nowhere to be seen. She felt all alone in this strange place. Determined to find her way back, Mia had to rely on her instincts and the help of newfound friends she would encounter along the way. With each step she took, Mia's senses heightened. She listened for familiar sounds, like the chirping of birds or the comforting hum of a passing car. She sniffed the air, searching for any scent that might lead her back home. Mia knew she had to be brave and trust her instincts to guide her. As she wandered through the neighborhood, Mia encountered other friendly animals who sensed her distress and offered their assistance. A wise old cat provided guidance, pointing her in the right direction. A kind-hearted dog alerted her to potential dangers and kept her company on her journey. These newfound friends became Mia's companions, comforting her in her time of need. Together, Mia and her newfound friends embarked on an adventure to find their way back home. Mia learned to trust her instincts and rely on the kindness of others. Little did she know, this journey would teach her valuable lessons about friendship, resilience, and the importance of finding one's way back, both physically and emotionally. As Mia continued her journey through the unfamiliar neighborhood, she encountered various obstacles and faced numerous challenges. Busy roads posed a danger as cars zoomed by, making her feel small and vulnerable. Loud noises startled her, causing her to seek shelter and cover her ears with her paws. Intimidating animals, like barking dogs and hissing cats, made her heart race with fear. However, amid these challenges, Mia was fortunate to meet other friendly animals along the way. A wise old owl perched on a tree branch offered guidance from above, directing her away from busy roads. A gentle squirrel, quick and agile, showed her secret paths and hidden shortcuts. These new animal friends offered their wisdom and support, helping Mia navigate the unfamiliar territory with more confidence and less fear. Mia learned that she wasn't alone in her journey. These friendly animals became her companions, providing comfort and companionship along the way. Their presence reminded her that even in the face of obstacles, kindness and support could make a difference. With their guidance, Mia pressed on, determined to find her way back home. As Mia continued her adventure, she encountered some frightening moments. A dog suddenly appeared, chasing her with a loud bark. In a panic, Mia scampered up a nearby tree, seeking refuge from the dog's pursuit. From the safety of the tree branches, she watched the dog pace below, unable to reach her. Just when Mia thought she was safe, dark clouds rolled in, and rain began to pour. Caught in a sudden rainstorm, Mia's fur got drenched, and she desperately searched for shelter. Thankfully, a friendly neighbor's porch provided a dry haven. Mia huddled under the shelter, feeling relieved and grateful for the protection from the pouring rain. Once the rain subsided, Mia had to face another challenge. She found herself in a maze-like garden, with tall hedges and winding paths. Determined to find a clue about her home, she explored the garden, carefully maneuvering through the twists and turns. It was like solving a puzzle, searching for any sign or familiar scent that could lead her back to her family. As Mia ventured deeper into the garden, she discovered a trail of paw prints etched into the ground. Excitement filled her heart as she followed the prints, hoping they would lead her closer to home. Each step brought her closer to the answers she sought, and she felt a glimmer of hope that she was on the right path. With determination and a touch of curiosity, Mia pressed on, knowing that she was getting closer to the reunion she longed for. As Mia continued her search for a home, she suddenly caught a whiff of a familiar scent in the air. It tickled her nose and filled her with hope. Following the scent, Mia stumbled upon a landmark she recognized, a towering tree with distinctive branches. Her heart leapt with joy, knowing that she was getting closer to her family. Filled with renewed determination, Mia pressed forward, her fears fading away. She knew that reaching her family was worth every challenge she had faced. Along her journey, she encountered one final obstacle, a wide and rushing river that separated her from her home. The sight of the fast-flowing water made her pause, but she summoned her bravery and resolved to overcome this last challenge. With resourcefulness and a clever plan, Mia gathered leaves and small sticks, fashioning them into a makeshift bridge. With cautious steps and a beating heart, she carefully crossed the river, each step taking her closer to the warm embrace of her family. Mia's determination was unwavering, and she refused to let anything stop her from being reunited with her loved ones. Finally, after an adventure filled with twists and turns, Mia emerged from the challenges stronger and more resilient. Her path led her back to her family, where her worried and relieved family members greeted her with open arms and gentle purrs. Mia's journey had tested her determination, but she had proven her resourcefulness and bravery, overcoming every obstacle in her path. In that joyful moment, Mia realized the power of her own strength and the love that surrounded her. Her adventure had taught her that no matter how lost or scared she felt, she could rely on her own courage and the support of those who cared for her. With a grateful heart, Mia nestled among her family, grateful for her incredible journey and the valuable lessons she had learned along the way. As Mia finally reached her family, they surrounded her with love and joy. They had been worried sick about her and were incredibly relieved to see her safe and sound. Mia's family showered her with affectionate purrs and gentle nuzzles, expressing their deep love and relief at her return. Through tender gestures and reassuring words, Mia's family promised to keep a closer eye on her, ensuring that she would never go through such an adventure again. They understood the importance of staying close to home and the potential dangers that awaited outside. Mia, nestled in their warm embrace, felt the love and protection that her family provided. In that moment, Mia learned a valuable lesson. She realized the importance of staying close to home, where she was surrounded by the love and care of her family. They would always be there to keep her safe, offering warmth, comfort, and guidance. Mia understood that her family's watchful eyes and affectionate presence were a gift beyond measure. Grateful for her family's unwavering love and the lesson she had learned, Mia vowed to cherish the safety and warmth of her home. She knew that her family's protection was a precious gift, and she would never take it for granted again. With a heart full of gratitude and a newfound appreciation for the love that enveloped her, Mia settled into the cozy familiarity of her home, knowing that she was truly where she belonged. As the story comes to a close, Mia finds herself snuggled up with her loving family, feeling a deep sense of gratitude. She reflects on the adventure she had embarked upon and the valuable lesson she had learned along the way. Mia is thankful for the journey that taught her to appreciate the safety and love of her home. With this newfound understanding, Mia continues to be the playful and curious kitten she has always been. However, she now approaches the world with greater awareness and appreciation for the warmth and security her home provides. Mia knows that she can explore and learn about the world around her, but she also understands the importance of returning to the loving embrace of her family. Mia's adventure has shaped her into a more thoughtful and mindful kitten. She cherishes the moments of playfulness and discovery, savoring each experience while always staying mindful of the love and protection her family provides. With this newfound understanding, Mia embraces the world with open paws, knowing that she has a loving home to always return to.